In a medical malpractice lawsuit here in New York, who pays for your medical expert? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. You know that in a medical malpractice case here in New York, we are required to have a medical expert who confirms, number one, that there was wrongdoing, number two, that the wrongdoing caused injury, and number three, that the injury is significant or permanent. As part of the evaluation process, I, as the attorney, go ahead and hire and retain a medical expert, a qualified medical expert, to evaluate your entire case. Now, if the medical expert does confirm that we have a valid basis for a case, then we go ahead and start a lawsuit on your behalf. So now I go ahead and lay out all the expenses, all the money necessary to prosecute your entire case, with the hope and with the expectation that if we are successful, now, after we are successful and obtain compensation for you for all the harms and losses and injuries that you suffered, now all the money that I have spent, all the expenses that we have paid to prosecute your case, then gets reimbursed to my firm. So the reality is you don't have to pay anything out of pocket to hire the best medical experts possible. Instead, I do. I have to pay that out of my own pocket to hire the best medical experts, and now only if we are successful do I get reimbursed for those expenses. So the reality is, on the front end, you don't pay anything. But on the back end, if we are successful, then that money gets reimbursed to us. It's like an interest-free loan in order to go ahead and prosecute your case. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you because some people have questions and want to know, listen, I know you have multiple experts who are going to come in to support our case. Who pays for that? The reality is, I do. And if we are successful, then we get reimbursed for all of those expenses. You know, I realize you're watching this video because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but you have questions that need to be answered first, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.